Hi guys, this is boy Binky. I'm back for another video. Today I show you how to fix please try again later in Twitter app. The first thing, you make sure you are not use the weak Wi-Fi connection. You need to use the LTE or 5G connection to be better or something like that. You can choose Wi-Fi LTE, and if not fixes up your problem, go to general. From here, go to iPhone storage and wait for a second. That calculate your size, and wait for a second. You see, go to Twitter. You see, offload the app, offload it. That may help your problem. If not, make sure you are update the last version in App Store. Look for Twitter. Make sure that you are in the last version. You need to update it. That will help you fix the problem. I hope that help you for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.